Mamaya ulit kayo.
Lapit.
Martin, 2 points. Jersey number 7, 3 points.
Out naman pala sila. Nanood ko eh. Nakakampi.
Jersey number 4. Last jersey number 27, Sablay.
Nasaan mo ba? Hindi ko matandaan kung sino.
Jersey number 8.
Kaya namang prone sa putok ang mga ganyan.
Last jersey number 7 again. Bumungol ng Teres. Sablay. Jersey number 20. Traveling violation. So, sino sa rep?
Magkapatid lang tayo.
Jersey number 8. Last jersey number 1. Here the shot. Sablay. Jersey number 20. Ramos, 2 points. Jersey number 11 Romero Humulang Teres Ramos. Pass to jersey number 4 Martin. Exactly 7 minutes. Two points again. Jersey number 6.
Sino kasama?
Pass to Mavini. Pass to jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 23. Reverse shot, no good. Jersey number 11 Romero, solo. Pass to jersey number 1. 2 points. Exactly 6 minutes. Ball violation. Substitution rep. 15 seconds on clock. Pass to jersey number 23. Jersey number 27 sa ilalim block with jersey number 24. Broso ang atake. Broso. Sumon. Steve jersey.
Sabi wag ka
May
titigil.
foul po tayo. Foul with jersey number 2 Gutierrez. That's your first personal foul. First team foul. Shot clock 15. Panoga to Ramos. 2 points. Exactly 5 minutes. Copy. Panoga. Sablay. Remove jersey number 2 and 4.
Okay na yun, kaysa mapangasan.
Pastor Romero with the shot. Defend. Rebound by jersey number 20, Bornales. Martin. Sablay. Rebound by Braso. Braso. Offensive foul.
Huwag ka kasing maniko.
Jersey number 6, Braso, that's your second personal foul, second team foul.
Inisip ko mo naman dere po.
Martin dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 2, and dribble lang tres, Sablay, rebound by Bornales. Sablay ulit. Exactly 4 minutes. Pass to Gutierrez. Pass to Sid. Save po tayo. 14 seconds on na.
Utang ko na, sinususin ako.
Jersey number 6, Rosa again. 10 seconds to shoot. Bagsin Sablay. Rebound, jersey number 23. Pass to Panoga. Martin, with a shot, 2 points. Last 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Ate, ah?
15 seconds to shoot to Romero. Sablay, rebound. Pass to Panoga. Martin sa ilalim. 15 seconds to shoot. Martin again. Sablay, rebound by jersey number 23. Centro ball po tayo. Time out.
Alam mo yung mga hindi mga nagiinom yan, Pilisan.
Jersey number 10, Romero ang niriskate.
Hindi mo pinainom din.
Pass to Gutierrez. May foul po tayo. Foul to the jersey number 20, Bornales. That's your first personal foul. First team foul.
Yay! Ang galing!
Sablay ang una.
Yay! Ang galing!
Sablay ang pangalawa. Time remaining last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Martin. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 24 seconds violation.
Kaya niyo pa ba?
Romero nagmamadali. Pass to Rosa. Pagmukol lang 3 within. Rebound by Ramos. Exactly 2 minutes. Pass to Martin. 15 seconds to shoot. Ten seconds on clock. Bornales. 5 seconds to shoot, still with jersey number 2. Last 1 minute already. Rosa, 2 points. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. May foul po tayo. Jersey number 11 is your first personal foul, third team foul. Time remaining exactly 1 minute. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Martin bumukol lang 3 points. Last 35 seconds. Braso, pasok ang finish sa ilalim ng shot. 2 points. Last 30 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Ramos ang batake. No good rebound. Because number 23. 10 seconds to shoot.
Uy!
Sablay. Block with jersey number 24. 2 points. Last 10 seconds. Jersey number 2.